I'll be talking about these awesome plastic fusion containers by Nyasa store. Made of sturdy plastic, these containers are versatile and you can store just about anything in them. You don't have to worry about breakage, unlike glass ones. So these help especially if you have kids around. The 6-piece pack comprises 1500 ml capacity containers which are BPA plastic free. They're also refrigerator safe, so you can use it for both hot and cold food and liquids. The dimensions of the containers are 20 by 5 by 10 centimeter and they weigh 190 grams. If someone has renovated their kitchen or moved to a new home, then this set of containers makes for a great gifting choice.
इनकी मॉर्निंग रूटीन के लिए,
कैंटीन को कूल बनाने के लिए,
स्कूल से भूखे वापस आने वालों के लिए,
खुशियां बांटने वालों के लिए,
ऑफिस में थोड़ा रंग डालने के लिए,
सालों बाद मिलने वाले दोस्तों के लिए, ब्रेकअप में साथ देने के लिए,
मीठा साथ लाने वाली चाची के लिए,
राखी में दीदी के लिए
और इरिटेटिंग छोटे भाइयों के लिए,
और मेरे पेंसिल्स के लिए,
दिवाली में गिफ्ट्स देने के लिए,
उस नए क्यूट से पड़ोसी से इंट्रो के लिए।
Soumya, and in this video I'm going to talk about this compact juicer by Sarvadeshi. It's a very sturdy and compact piece which will help you extract juices with ease. Made of good quality food grade plastic, this juicer is extremely efficient in extracting the juices from lemons, lime, orange, pomegranate and grapefruit. All you have to do is to cut your fruit and place it on top. Now apply some pressure to churn out the juices and you are done. The trainer catches the pulp and seeds while the refreshing juice is collected in the jar below. So go ahead and bring this juicer home and enjoy fresh, easy to make juices.
And welcome to First Mart, the one place to get your dose of the best in home category. Here's where we'll be taking you through the latest products and tell you everything you need to know about them. Today we have for you a very stylish coffee mug from Anvalia Editia. So let's check it out. First look. Up front, this product has a very stylish look with its ceramic body that has a glossy finish. It is a lovely black color on the outside and green on the inside, making it extremely attractive. It is a very sturdy product weighing 500 grams that will last forever without taking too much space. It measures 10.5 cm by 7.5 cm by 9.5 cm and is made of handmade clay, making it a very durable product. It is made of 100% food grade material that is lead and cadmium free, so it is safe to use on a daily basis. Comes with a massive capacity, so you can enjoy a quick cup of your favorite beverage with friends or family. Performance. It is multifunctional as you can enjoy a host of beverages like coffee, tea, milkshakes and more, making it a versatile option. The superior quality makes it chip and break resistant, so you don't have to worry about replacing it for a long time. It is microwave and oven safe and can be cleaned in a dishwasher, so it is truly a hassle-free option. Reason to buy. This lovely black mug is truly a great addition to your homeware collection with its attractive design, quality features and low maintenance, all at a very wallet-friendly price. So what are you waiting for? Do check it out today itself. That's it from us, and we shall see you soon with some more awesome products.
Hi guys, this is Tripti, and today I'm going to be introducing you to a set of 100% food grade and BPA free airtight containers that you can use to store your dry fruits and spices to keep it crisp, fresh and flavorful for longer than ever. Open these canisters by simply turning the screw-on lids. These easy open and shut lids and the wide mouth make them safe and easy to use. You can store dry fruits, chips and pulses in these canisters which come in different sizes. Imagine how clean your pantry will look. The novel construction and unique lid design keep your food smelling and tasting as fresh as when they were stored. Turn your storage nightmare into a dream come true with this set of 18 containers.
A spatula is one of the most crucial utensils to have in any kitchen. With the right kind of spatula, cooking becomes much easier and quicker. So stay with me as I unbox the perfect set of spatulas for your versatile kitchen needs. Let's get started.
First, let's open the cardboard box. As you can see, we have a set of 7 wooden spatulas and a serving spoon from the brand Classic Shopee. They come in different designs so that they can be used for various purposes like use for turning and lifting food items such as pancakes, dosa and fried eggs. These ones come in handy for mixing and stir frying. Moving on, this perforated spatula can be used specifically for deep frying, while this one can be used for serving soups and gravy dishes. One of the distinct advantages of these wooden spatulas is that they are not going to scratch the finish on your non-stick coatings. They are also heat protected and remain intact and smooth for a long period of time.
That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more.